Hello, my name is Shantae, and today, you guys, I have 3 new remote work from home jobs that I have to share with you today. If you haven't done so yet, please like, share, subscribe, follow my videos for more content like this because it really does help. All right, but let's go ahead on and get into the jobs. The first remote work from home job that I'm going to share with you today is with Care Scout. Care Scout is looking for a connection representative. Now, the requirements for this position, they want you to have 1 to 3 years of call center experience, experience in long-term care, like geriatric, home health. They want you to be sensitive to the needs of seniors, exceptional customer service, active listening, high integrity with the passion of learning about long-term care industry, excellent organizational and time management skills, as well as the ability to think critically and solve problems. Now, for this position, the hours will be 12 to 9 Eastern Standard Time, or either 12:30 to 9 Eastern Standard Time. The pay is not listed, so you would have to reach out to a recruiter to get that information. The second remote work from home job that I'm going to share with you is with Sarnova. Sarnova is looking for a patient advocacy specialist 1. And the requirements for this position is going to be a high school diploma or GED along with associate's degree or equivalent. Equivalent meaning 1 to 2 years of experience in customer service, healthcare, or patient advocacy, familiar with insurance processes, proficiency with call center software like CRM, Microsoft Office Suite. All right, so the pay for this position isn't listed as well, so you would have to reach out to a recruiter to get that additional information as well. Now, as a reminder, I do have the remote job application kits available. It has every resource that you basically need in order to be successful with finding a remote work from home job. Now, you can purchase this at Gumroad, was actually momsquad8.gumroad.com/L/RAOZD. I'm also sending out weekly job listings for remote positions. And you can sign up for that or subscribe to that at momsquad8.gumroad.com/L/VXDCMF. All right. So the third remote work from home job that I'm going to share with you today is going to be with Northern Tools. Northern Tools is looking for an online customer experience representative or specialist. The requirements for this position is a high school diploma, at least 1 year of college, at least 1 year of sales, call center or related, ability to meet established productivity, schedule adherence, strong organizational skills. The pay for this position is $18 to $29.50 an hour, and the schedule is 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. All right, so these are the 3 remote work from home jobs that I'm sharing with you today. Please like, share, subscribe, follow my videos for more content just like this. Thank you for watching. Be blessed.